Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I shorten this t-shirt. As you can see, this t-shirt is a bit too long for me all around. So on today's video I'll show you how I shorten this t-shirt with a twin needle. So first I will pin this t-shirt to the length what I want. About there. I usually have my t-shirts. So I'll pin. So also my t-shirt has lines, so it's quite easy to follow the length. So basically I'll be following this line there all around it. So and I'll pin that all around same length, following that line there. So that line will be underneath on the wrong side. Pinning all that around. So I'll pin this t-shirt all around to this length and I will iron this t-shirt next. I'm ironing my t-shirt new hem edge flat, as you can see here. Next I will sew this hem same way like this original hem here. I'll be using twin needle for this sewing project. If you want to know how to use twin needle, please go check out my previous video where I have explained how to sew with twin needle, how to thread sewing machine for twin needle. I will link that video down below in the description box, so maybe go check out that video before watching this one so you understand how to sew and shorten t-shirt using twin needle. I'm using magnetic seam guide and I'm placing it to 1.5 centimeters. I'm turning my t-shirt so right side is facing up there. So that's the right side. I'm placing my new hem under the presser foot. Before I start sewing, these are settings on my sewing machine. This is thread tension. This is the stitching style, straight stitch, and this is the stitching length. Now I'll sew t-shirt hem all around. I have sewed this new hem all around. Now I'm sewing back and forward stitch to secure the seam, cutting all excess thread off, and my new hem is nearly finished. It looks like that, nice and stretchy, very neat double stitch there. Next I'll cut off this excess fabric off. So I'm cutting small hole and cutting that excess fabric off all around very closely to my new seam, but very carefully so I don't cut new seam, as you can see here, all around it. And from this cut off fabric I will make something else. And my t-shirt hem is finished. Here it is, nice and neat finished. So this is wrong side and this is right side. If you have any questions how I shortened this t-shirt, please comment down below in a comment box. So this is before and after. And here's me very happy wearing my t-shirt out. I will add all materials which I used on this tutorial down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next time. Love, Anita.